Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. One of my all-time favorite muscle cars and one of my all-time favorite colors. This is a limited production 1970 Trans Am. Pontiac Historical Service has documented the car. Numbers match, colors, motor, carburetor, trans, rear end, deluxe interior, original body panels from California, rust-free car. It was restored by Restore a Muscle Car. They're somewhat of the Trans Am experts. They claim it's all the original metal, and they're the ones that restored it. It's a great car. Really, really nice example of a 70 Trans Am. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube and click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 70 Trans Am. Yeah, this thing's a beauty. Underneath is just really clean metal. Even the drain plugs behind the tire here are still factory. And I'm just noticing the factory dimples around the wheel well lip. Clean floors. What they did is they just cleaned them and painted them a nice semi-gloss black, so it's really nice looking under there. It's got a stainless steel custom exhaust system. It does have the transverse muffler. It sits sideways, and it has the correct polished tips. Just a little upgraded exhaust. It sounds nice. You'll hear that in a little bit. You look up at the motor. It's nice and clean. The front end components all look really good. It has the VIN number matched turbo 400 automatic transmission, and it has its original 355 posi rear end in the car. The fuel system looks nice. The brake system has been redone. The e-brake is all hooked up. It has disc brakes in front. And the motor is VIN number matched too, which is down at the bottom. It's the lower radiator hose. The VIN number on the Pontiacs are stamped. You have to look at it from underneath. We have pictures of the matching numbers. So again, underneath the car, really nice and clean. The body's outstanding. I just wiped the car down with a microfiber towel. I didn't find a flaw, and it's been painted at least 5 years now. But the body panels line up really nicely. This rubber bumper is one of the best I've seen. It fits really well. No damage, no touch-ups on the nose here, no cracks like you always see. This bumper is mint. It's called Lucerne Blue. It's the original color. It's all smooth down here, no bubbles. It's all metal. The door is smooth, big long door, no door dings. Again, it all fits nice. There's not even chips on these flares. They all crack right here. This one does not have any of that. All nice, square, fits nice, beautiful. I can feel the dimples down here too. If you're a car guy, you know what I'm talking about. It's nice. The paint, the metal flake is laid out evenly. The clear coat's polished like glass. The stickers were all carefully installed. They all look really nice. Tail lights look new. Bumpers re-chromed. Emblems look new. It's all excellent. Trunk compartment, super clean metal. I looked up inside here with my flashlight. There's no splices. They're both the original panels. Original trunk floor. Has a dark gray spatter finish. Underneath here is painted glossy. The jamb is real nice. The factory seams are real clean. New weather strip, new decal. Doesn't want to stay open all by itself though. It's a deluxe interior. From carpet to headliner, it's restored. The center console I think is new. The shift bezel, new upholstery. The door panels are mint. The machine-turned instrument panel is excellent. It has the rally gauges. They all look really good. Formula cushion grip steering wheel. That looks like it's new. This has the Rally 2 wheels. They did not come with trim rings. That's how it's supposed to be. And BF Goodrich tires. It's got new center caps. The wheels are in real nice shape. It's a Ram Air 3 400 motor. This extra trim on the back of the hood and around the gutter, that was an option. That's on the paperwork. And it's all shiny and straight. Windshield's crystal clear. This window's crystal clear. The back window's crystal clear. Inside here, the tray and the speaker and the trim is excellent. It's also a factory rear defroster. Probably can't see it, but there's a blower up in there behind the seat. Door jambs are painted beautifully. Bottom of the doors, that edge is nice and crisp. New weather strips, sill plates, window seals. They did put an AM/FM factory radio in there. It doesn't work though, it doesn't turn on. The dash is nice. All the plastic backs back here, the kick panels, the plastic's all in mint shape. Has all of its seat belts. Under the hood, we got power steering, power brakes. Has the complete shaker hood assembly with the right ductwork coming off of it. Motor's painted real nice, correct valve covers. Original firewall, doesn't look like it's ever been painted. It's just all nice, clean, smooth metal. Detailed up very nicely in here. Sport mirrors. This side's just as nice. Why don't we fire it up? These cars are a pleasure to drive. They handle really well. They made so few of these compared to a Camaro. I think like just over 3,000. I have the exact numbers on our website. They were either white or they were blue. The blue is the most desirable of the two. The car just seems like a sweetheart. The visors, the mirror are real nice. It just runs so good. The grills are real nice. Headlight bezels are real nice. Damn, I'd like to keep this one. Can't keep them all. One of my favorite cars. It's even the original carburetor. We'll have pictures of the numbers on our website. I feel like I want to keep talking about it because this is such a great car. But I think that does it. That's my impression of this car. If you have specific concerns or questions, go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salespeople. They will help answer your questions. They can also make the financing, delivery, and paperwork real easy for you at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and you will be notified as the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.